Hey folks, Luca, SharperTrades. Market steady above the 80 MA. Resistance remain the same, 550, and above that 555, 562, 570, support 80 MA, 540, below that 533, and the 50 SMA. ADBE, Adobe System, after a breakout for earnings with volumes, stabilized above 500, 503 precisely. They popped, testing the 200 SMA, currently moving above it. I like the technicals and the volume. We need more to extend 553, 581, 609, and 641. Support is the 80 MA. Amazon continues to impress. This one today went to 200. That's a big resistance. So I'm expecting price to stall a little bit, possibly pull back the test. The support at the moment, we have to go further down at the 80 MA. So this prior all-time high, 191.70 in the 80 MA. If he breaks the 200 and holds, I'm looking for 204, 211, 219, and 227. Looking at the dark option flow, Amazon analysts are 44 buy, 0 hold, 0 sell, with an average price target of 219.55. So quite a bit of room to expand. This fantastic company is breaking out. If you look at the chart, this one has been consolidating above this level for a while, or a big rollover in 2022 and 2023, and now is breaking this important resistance. So this one, if double, that's a big stretch, but I won't be surprised if it gets close to, a big 30% gain eventually, maybe within the next year and so on. Anyway, important move today and yesterday. Tesla, love Tesla, impressive company. And after a period of discomfort and challenges and a big dip down to 140, has been recovering. Now looks like the breakout is holding. Now it needs to move past this high at let's call it 200. Targets at 208, SMA, 219, and 230. Support is the 80 MA, 186. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000, available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section, and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1, or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.